Ever wonder how your washing machine cleans your clothes? Let's find out. Start by loading your dirty clothes into the drum. The machine fills the drum with water, mixing hot and cold if needed. Add detergent in the dispenser for a clean wash. The drum agitates by spinning back and forth, loosening dirt and stains. After washing, it rinses your clothes with clean water. The spin cycle removes excess water by spinning rapidly. The water is drained out through a pump and hose. Your clothes are clean and ready to dry. And that's how your washing machine gets the job done. Thanks for watching.